Welcome to the State of the Laundry Industry with Laundry Matt. Episode number 5, the secret the laundry industry doesn't want you to know about. This is the episode the laundry industry does not want you to see. Several years ago during a webinar about how to get into pickup and delivery, somebody was complaining about the cost of a vehicle. And I mentioned, it's a lot cheaper to buy a vehicle than it is to buy another laundromat. So you figure on the payments on a vehicle on a van, it's about $700 a month, somewhere around there. And that one vehicle could service a huge area. And so we've got one laundromat and 5 vehicles. We just added a 5th vehicle just a month ago. And we're covering a huge territory and bringing in thousands of pounds to our laundromat every single day. And we're not the only ones. A lot of places have figured this out and now added to a fleet of vehicles. You start with one, but you keep building up. And once again, it's a lot cheaper than buying another laundromat. So the point, is something that we've followed. And that's something the laundry industry probably doesn't want you to know about, because there's a lot of money to be made when somebody buys a laundromat. There's a lot of machines, there's the space, there's a whole bunch of people who get paid, and you're talking about $500,000, $1 million. There's some big contracts out there. Or you buy another vehicle for $700, and now you could bring in tons of new business without the risk. So it's very compelling. And just in the last month, actually 2 months, last month, one of our clients, he went from 3 laundromats to 1. Now he's got a really kick butt pickup and delivery business. It took some time to build it up. He's been with us for about 3 years, and he's doing great. 5 figures, wash and fold, pickup and delivery every single month. And he decided, the other 2 stores are headaches, take a lot of maintenance and a lot of headaches, and I'm going to consolidate and close those 2 stores or sell them. And now he's doing all the pickup and delivery from a single location, and it's just easier, and he's making more money, and he's able to focus on growing his pickup and delivery. Now we've got another client with like 5, 6 locations. And so they're looking at possibly closing 2 of their locations. Why? Because they're going to be selling off 2 of them. Probably, are they going to be their best locations or not their best locations? You got to figure that out. But imagine if you had 5 or 6 locations and you could sell 2 of them. And why? Because they're focusing on pickup and delivery. So they're not selling their pickup and delivery business. No, that doesn't come with the bricks and mortar. They're just selling off the bricks and mortar, the machines, all that stuff. And they're consolidating their business, focusing on the money, which is pickup and delivery. That's a growing shooting star, and they know it. That's why they're selling. So this is a transition, something that the laundry industry probably won't want to be promoting to everybody, because they'd rather everybody buy 5 or 6 stores. But what if you could do all that business out of a single location? So at Curbside Laundries, we help laundromats maximize their opportunity. We provide an SEO optimized website made specifically for laundromats that helps your self-serve business, it helps the in-store wash and fold business, and it helps pick up and delivery. And then our software is the wash and fold point of sale that works for both in-store and pickup and deliveries. So it allows customers to schedule pickup and deliveries from their home, from their phone. And so I firmly believe the number one way to maximize your laundromat's revenue opportunity is not to open up another laundromat, which is a good thing, and nothing wrong with that. But first I'd get into pickup and delivery, because then for $700 a month, with the vehicle and, there are other expenses too, but it's minimal compared to another laundromat. And meanwhile, pickup and delivery is the fastest growing segment of the market. So I firmly believe if you want to maximize the opportunity, get into pickup and delivery. That's where 75% of our wash and fold revenue is at our laundromat, is pickup and delivery.